Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Priyanka and you are watching Technology Warriors YouTube channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. So today in this video you will get to know how you can check the validity of a mail. Like, is it a valid mail, and how you can gather some more information about the mail that you have got. Like, what is the IP of the server from which the email is generated, and many more information like this. So let's take up this for example, hack the mountains. So I have got this mail from Devfolio, and as you can see, it looks pretty much valid mail, and it is valid. So if I want to check more details about this mail, what I can do is I will just go to here and show original. After this you can see some more details like from, to, subject, SPF pass, DKIM pass, and all these kind of thing. And if you want to get into more what is this, you can just Google it and get to know. Okay, so this is a website, mailheader.org, where you can just paste that header which you have copied it from here. See, this is the email header which includes all the details. So if you want it in a structured way, so you can just analyze it from this website. And yes, I have got all the details over here. Mail from name Devfolio, and I think I have also got the IP address. See, this is where mail server from IP. I can see mail country from, and all this kind of information. See, this is a lot of information that you can have a look at. Okay, and this is one more email that I have sent. See, this is one of the fake mail that I have created using this emkei.cz. It's a fake mail generator, and if you want to send any kind of fake mail, then you can use this. So let's take okay, from, I can customize this also. Let's say I want to send this mail from this 1 2 3, and let's take this for an example. Let's write something, anything like that. And if I send this mail, okay, I need to write it again. This is a fake mail, and you can also change this from name to any other. So yeah, let's check this and send it. I will go back to my mail, and as you can see, this is a fake mail. So if you go to this and you do and this show original, then you won't find SPF pass. So this is how you can check your email authenticity. Is it a valid mail or not? So yes, that's it for today's video. And there is one more thing, like there's a face reveal if I cross 100 subscribers. So yeah, do not forget to subscribe this channel if you like this. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you are new, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates. That's it, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.